Welcome to the personal property tour for 4 Midshore in St Monans. This is a fantastic harbour house. It literally is on the harbour. It's got 3 bedrooms. You have an attic space as well that also has additional bedroom space. You have kitchen, you have a dining room, beautiful sitting room. Got lovely courtyard to the rear as well. This really is a beautiful property. I'm going to take you on this fabulous tour. Firstly, your view. Isn't that spectacular? So you literally are right on the harbour point. Isn't that glorious? So the property is here. So in regards to its location, the cribs is just up here. Just around the corner up here you have the Giddy Gannet. You also have the Snug Cafe from Muffin Man. You have Salt Dining up there as well from Mary and Darren. Further along the coast, literally about a 5-minute walk from the property, you have the Craig Miller restaurant as well, which is fantastic. So lots going on in this location. You're right on the Fife Coastal Path, of course. Isn't it beautiful? Right, I'm going to take you on the tour. So let's enter the property here. So immediately we go into the entrance hallway as you'd expect. And then from here what we're going to do is start with the attic room at the very top. So I shall meet you up there. And welcome to the attic room. How stunning is that? So you have these open beams, this beautiful stone wall, and actually I love this as well. So this is the original pulley. So if you were bringing things up from the street, you would use that, and I believe it is still operational from that window as well. So that's a great thing to have. You have harbour views, as you would expect. Isn't that glorious? I love the stone walls. Look how thick they are. This is a great family space. Could be a self-contained part of the property as well, because as you can see straight ahead on the other side they've created a bedroom space. So again you've got the beautiful stone wall, the exposed beams you can see here set up as a twin bedroom area. It's fabulous. And this property is over multiple levels. You'll see that as we go through. So taking you down to the next level, all of the hallway areas as well have lovely windows with harbour views, which you'll see in a second. So you can see the open hallway there. But firstly, straight ahead here, we have bathroom. It's a lovely big space. So you have your WC, your sink, your bath area with your electric shower. You can see the size of the room. It really is a great space. And you have these stunning views across the harbour. You actually feel you could just reach your hand out and touch that boat. Isn't that glorious? Just about make out the bass rock today. A little bit murkier today. But it is beautiful. What a location. So lovely big room. If we go back out, you'll see here you have storage space, so great big double cabinet there as well. So lots of space in that cupboard. You back out into the landing area, and again, beautiful views straight across the harbour. You can see Craig Miller restaurant there, the church steeple. Give you a feeling for the location. Isn't it gorgeous? Such a great space. Off to the left we have a twin room. So it's a good sized double, currently utilising set up as a twin. You've got great storage built in area for additional furnishings. It's a good sized room. You've got these double sash and case windows as well, giving you multiple options as regards to the view across the harbour, as you can see. Isn't that lovely? So tranquil. And again here I just feel I can touch the masks there. It's beautiful. It's a lovely and bright airy property. Straight across we go into another large double room. And again, you've got dual aspect windows in this room, so lots of lovely natural light coming in. Great size double. So window over here overlooks the courtyard. Then you have built-in storage space. Again, additional storage. You have the sash and case window this side as well, which overlooks the harbour again. But isn't it gorgeous? Lovely space. So much potential with this property. And then you have the window overlooking the courtyard. So I'll give you a little sneak peek and we can see that later. Bonus with this room as well, you actually have an ensuite WC. So you have your WC and sink. So again, useful space, lots of shelving in there. So lovely big room. Then we'll go back out into the hallway. We'll go down to the next level, and again you'll see another good window letting in more natural light. Again, this one overlooks the rear courtyard. And then further along the hallway, again it's all very open feeling. You've got this great window again. So again you're getting these beautiful views. Just stunning. Straight ahead, we're going to go into the sitting room. So this is a really good sized room. You've got some alcove shelving space here. You've got 3 windows in this room, so again, lovely and bright. Beautiful views. You've got this open fire as well, so you can imagine a cold wintry night, get your fire on. It'll be fantastic feeling in here. This is a big room. There's lots of big furnishings in here, as you can see, and there's still lots of space. You have 3 alcoves as well, so plenty of room for storage and displaying your precious things. So you have a sash and case window there overlooking the harbour. Again, on the other side, you're overlooking the harbour again. And also from this window, you're overlooking the harbour. So again, beautiful views. Just stunning. Then out of the sitting room, we go back into the hallway, and then straight ahead we have the dining room. So you can see immediately that's a big 6-seater table, so lots of space in here for dining. Love this feature on the wall. It's beautiful. Isn't that lovely? And the cabinet, similar setup. You've got the sash and case window again. So again, overlooking the harbour. So great views. You can see how wide the walls are. So it's going to be a lovely, cosy house. Off of the dining room, you're then into the kitchen. So into the kitchen space, so straight away you can see plenty of shelving storage space. You also have your integrated hob, oven, fridge, freezer. And again, you've got that lovely deep recess sash and case window that overlooks the harbour, the courtyard. So great natural light coming in. You've got a little porthole there as well, which I think is quite nice, serving up your guests when you're entertaining, which is great. So we now go down to the final lower level. This brings some bonuses with it as well, the lower level, and you'll see why in a moment. So again, lovely big window here. So lots of natural light coming into the hallway. So you're back into the hallway, you've got this understairs storage area. You could potentially put a little desk there. You've got this really quirky glass wall area, which I think is great. But we also have in here is another really big double bedroom. So immediately you come into here, you'll see, the furnishing again in this room is quite big. And you've got double windows too, so lots of light coming in. You've got an alcove here, so plenty of room for storage. This big double window overlooks the harbour. You can see it's a really great space. It's a lovely sized room. And again, you've got harbour views over there as well. It's a lovely space in here. And the bonus with this lower level, obviously you're back into the entrance hallway. You've got big storage cupboard in here. But you could do future-proofing one level living, because you actually have a bonus here where we have a shower room on this level too. So you have your shower room with your thermostatic control, your WC, and your wash hand basin. And again, that beautiful window overlooking the harbour area. And then from here, we also have utility space. So great area for your laundry, plenty of space in here. And then it takes you out into the courtyard. So the courtyard's a lovely area. So that's a little country kind of vibe to it. It's a great space. You have an outhouse here as well, so room for storage. What you also have is a pen to the side, so plenty of space for your bins, etc. And then the gate is just next to the front door. So again, great for taking your bins in and out. It's a lovely space. So you have this patio seating area here. You can see all the lovely colour. The palm tree. Isn't that lovely? As you walk around, you can see you have another seating garden area. So great nook up here as well. lots of colour, lovely sitting area up here. And the bonus with this property as well, you have this fabulous outhouse. So within this outhouse, what some people have done in the area is they've turned these into either a home office or potentially a summer house. So you can put a bigger window in there, create a really nice nook, perhaps put a log burner in there, come outside and really enjoy your garden space. So you have a lovely sociable space here in the back of the property as well. So you can see that's fantastic use of the space that you have. So you've got the 2 seating areas here, which is grand. So to recap, this is 4 Midshore in St Monans. It's a 3-bedroom, has an attic room with additional bedroom space. You have a beautiful sitting room, you've got a separate dining room, you've got the bathroom downstairs as well, which is a big bonus. You're right on the harbour, so you've got absolutely stunning harbour views as well. Lots of amenities on your doorstep. So I mentioned earlier on all the recreational things that you can have, but also actually you're right on the Fife Coastal Path. You're near the St Monans windmill. You've got the primary school, so it's ideal for a family as well. So this really does offer everything. It's multi-level living, but actually you could do 1-level living as well on the lower floor, which is fantastic. This one is on the market with ourselves at the moment. It offers over £580,000. If it's of interest to you, please feel free to message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01334 654 221, and it's Perry at Fife Property TV. Take care. Bye bye.